Hi there, Harriet. Ellen here. I really hope that you have received the order. And I have to tell you that I was in a festival when I sent it, so I didn't have my wrapping paper with me. I hope you can see beyond the not so pretty packaging. Anyway, so the headbands I sent you, as you can see, they look very similar, and the petals I'm hoping are going to make them unique. And one technique is it's almost like sewing, and you can start by inserting the wire, maybe wind once around the headband, and then you simply choose your petals, you thread them on. All the petals, they have a hole in the middle, thread them on, and then you just keep winding around the headband. So we are threading a petal, winding around, and you're likely to use at least a couple of wires per headband, depending on how many you want to add. And now I'm just going to do one more, and yeah, that's the principle of it. And the green ribbon, you simply put it at the front, and then you go in between the flowers and just wrap it around the headband like so. I'm sort of cheating now, I'm not doing it properly. I'm just going to show you something at the back of the headband with the petals. So once the green ribbon is on, you can adjust the size, and that will also secure the ribbon. You simply fold the wire over on itself. And I am pretty sure you're going to have spare petals and spare wires, and why not put a few petals at the back. 3, for some reason, is a favorite number of mine at the back. So I'm going to add 3 at the back. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. Anyway, anything you need for this event, please let me know. And take care. Bye-bye.